Hello guys, good morning. So is it cold here in Chicago? Right now it's 7 almost 7:30 in the morning, and the temperature is 7 degrees. So yeah, it's cold here in Chicago. So look, I'm by University of Chicago Hospital, and look at the outside right there. Lots of snow. Yeah, it's very cold, guys. Look at this water bottle that I have in inside the car. Left it last night. It's frozen. So yeah, it's very cold. I don't have water. It's frozen